Now, the thing is, you're never too old to be on YouTube. I mean, have a look at this thing. This camera, well, I used to use it. Well, it's a professional film camera, but I guess I've only used it probably once or twice as a professional one. But now, see, the thing is, we think if we're over 40 that we're kind of like this camera, and, you know, it just, we feel old. We feel like we can't contribute anymore. I know it sounds drastic, but the thing I want to say is you have something to share. And here's something else. 45% of everyone on YouTube is over 35. This whole channel is about people over 40. Oh, look, if you're 35, if you're younger, it's okay. No one, it's all fine. But if you have a passion, if you have a hobby, and you just want to share it with the world, don't be afraid. Don't be ashamed even, because like this camera, some people might look at it and go, well, you know what, it's a little bit old, it's a little bit has been, but it can still work. It still does its primary job. All you need to do is just, like, is there something you have that you just want to share with the world? And like I said, almost half of everybody is over 40. And I mean, when YouTube came out, probably a lot of people would have been in their 20s. That was 20 years ago. So now everybody that started on YouTube is like you, 40. So what does it really matter? This is not for the young. It is for the young at heart. And I mean, I would love to know what kind of things you want to share with the world. Is it a hobby? Is it a, what else can it be? Like you just want to share some life experience. Maybe you're going through some stuff that's a little bit hard that you just want to share. You just want to let people know. You want to build up a community. You know, there are so many reasons why you should choose to do something on YouTube. I can't see so many reasons for not choosing YouTube. I mean, that could be just getting one of these things. It's not quite the same as this one, but really, at the end of the day, just keep it simple. Get one of these things, maybe get a microphone to plug into it. That's all you need. You don't need this. You don't need what I've got here is a Mamiya twin. That's the Mamiya twin lens reflex. Up here, I've got the Canon Mark II. So really, what's stopping you? Because there are so many things we can do. Just get started. Get one of these things. You can get one of these things, but you need film, and it can still work. But hey, it could be all about a channel with your old camera gear, and you just want to share your camera gear with the world. So what I want you to do is let me know what type of videos you would love to do and where you are in the world. And it could be about gardening. It could be about anything. Just get started, press record, and let's go.